not what you all think. Hostel life is something more that you all think it is. Then come, I'll show you all.
Welcome to St. Joseph's Hostel, where boys become men. Friends, believe me, it is special, the story I will tell. We got people from different places, different races, 100 faces, each one a gem. It don't matter where you're from, we got a roof and it's a home. We all bleed the same blood. We all bleed the same blood. We all bleed the same blood. I made many movies with my money movies. Let me tell you a bit of my stories. My rap is more like a 5 marks answer. We got them all. Top notch, then we got them PUBG, squadron players, Sub-Z, that makes us stronger. The dust every day is something we don't mind. Football is what's killing our time. There's always one plate and many hands. How can I forget that performance? We got Dick, Chuck, and Lalu Ji, Baba Ramdev and his Patanjali. There was teamwork in everything we do. Look at them pictures, I hope they'll prove that we'll believe they were not alone. 100 of us call this a home. A big thank you to the chefs in the mess that took care of our hungry pets. Shout out to Peter and Masawa. Everybody say Mariana. Legends came and legends left this place. All of us will reach great heights you can't even guess. Lawyers, doctors, and teachers are who will become, except this guy. Don't matter where you're from, we got a roof, and it is our home. It is our home. Don't matter where you're from, we got a roof, and it is our home. It is our home. We all bleed the same blood. We 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 all bleed the same blood. We 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 all bleed the same blood. We all bleed the same blood. We bleed the same blood. We bleed the same blood.